US stocks climb as Amazon jumps, soft payrolls, cements, Fed rate cut bets, investing.com. US stocks rose Friday as investors digested strong earnings from tech giant Amazon, while the US economy added far fewer jobs than anticipated in October, cementing a Fed rate cut next week. At 1 p.m. ET, or 1700 GMT, the Dow Jones Industrial Average was up 337 points, or 0.8%. The S&P 500 index was 0.6% higher, and the Nasdaq Composite added 0.9%. Weak payrolls report supports Fed rate cut bets. Economic data released earlier Friday showed that the U.S. economy added just 12,000 to non-farm payrolls in October, far fewer than the 106,000 expected and a sharp drop from the downwardly revised 223,000 in September. The figures, however, were impacted by devastating recent hurricanes and ongoing labor actions. The Federal Reserve meets next week, and this release is unlikely to change expectations that policymakers will agree to cut interest rates once more, this time probably by 25 basis points, while greater clarity should emerge on the labor market's trajectory with the release of November data. Today's result should keep the Fed on course for further near-term rate cuts, Macquarie said in a Friday note. We continue to expect 25 BPS reductions in each of November and December, it added. Apple, Amazon in spotlight. Tech giants Apple and Amazon released quarterly results after the close of trading Thursday. Apple stock fell more than 1% after the iPhone maker unveiled a current quarter revenue outlook in the low to mid-single digits, missing the top end of Wall Street estimates, in a possible sign of caution ahead of the key holiday trading period. Amazon, by contrast, rose over 6% after the e-commerce behemoth posted an 11% jump in overall quarterly revenues versus a year ago, outpacing Wall Street estimates as it benefited from once-in-a-lifetime opportunities from so-called generative AI. Energy stumbles as oil majors roll out earnings. Energy was trading around the flatline as oil majors, including ExxonMobil Corp and Chevron Corp, delivered better than expected quarterly earnings. ExxonMobil's miss on revenue pushed its stock marginally lower. Still, rising oil prices kept losses in the broader energy sector underpinned by rising geopolitical tensions in the Middle East following reports that Iran was preparing a retaliatory strike on Israel. Is AMZN stock a buy or a sell? Feeling overwhelmed by investment information? You're not alone. The 2024 stock market often feels like a roller coaster, with conflicting analysis and opinions everywhere you go. Finding AMZN's fair value is easier when there's a proven, profitable way to do it. The use of AI and machine learning for predicting potential profitable stocks sets it apart from traditional financial tools that rely on historical data. This system predicts a stock's performance compared to a main index like S&P 500, assesses the confidence level of these predictions, and estimates potential downside risk. The best part about this analysis and stock picks is that we cut through the noise and deliver the bottom line for you. Each stock's fair value